9 beautiful and unique kitchen sinks for your next remodel. A rugged and textured stone-like sink is an unexpected touch in this French country-inspired kitchen by SHM Architects. The design team combined the unique basin with gray cabinets that have a distressed faux finish and luxurious marble countertops for an old-world vibe. But keep in mind that specialty sinks like this one often require a durable sealer to protect the surface. Sure, almost everyone loves subway tile. But square tiles also can be beautiful, as shown in this modern kitchen by D-Tile. The backsplash, built-in breakfast nook, countertops, and white kitchen sink all are made up of durable square porcelain tiles. Keeping these surfaces uniform and then pairing them with natural wood cabinetry creates a space that feels warm, bright, and contemporary. Nothing adds warmth to a cooking space like aged copper features. This gorgeous hammered apron front sink in decor blogger Christina Maria's kitchen is no exception. She loves the way it stands out against her crisp white cabinetry. While you can keep these copper sinks bright and shiny with regular polishing, Christina says the sink's patina gets more lovely with age. Completing her kitchen's rustic farmhouse look is the oil-rubbed kitchen faucet, a modern fixture that feels vintage because of its dark finish. Matte black fixtures always look incredibly chic in kitchens, such as this beautiful farmhouse-style sink from the Red Cottage Chronicles. The material is a durable granite composite, which is typically resistant to chips, stains, scratches, and thermal shock. The latter is particularly important. It means when the sink's surface is cool to the touch, it won't suddenly crack when hot liquids or pans are placed in the basin. Stone features are ideal for hard-working kitchens because they typically stand up to lots of daily wear and tear. When designing this cottage-inspired cooking space, Frank Shirley Architects went with a soapstone sink and matching countertop. What we like best about this material is it develops a lovely patina with age. Even better, it is incredibly resilient. The gorgeous stone is resistant to heat, chemicals, and staining. Glass probably doesn't seem like it would be a durable material for a kitchen sink. So you might be surprised to learn it is an option. In this family vacation house by top-notch design studio, a turquoise glass sink is the crowning jewel of the kitchen. Basins like these are typically shatterproof as well as resistant to stains, heat, and scratches. That said, glass sinks are still more prone to chipping than stone, so they might not be the best option for home chefs who put their cooking spaces through the paces on a regular basis. If you're craving some old-fashioned charm, you can't go wrong with an antique sink, or a new sink that's made to look vintage. This retro farmhouse-style kitchen by Gasper's Kitchen Remodeling features a trough-style sink that was common in homes of decades past. This white kitchen sink is even equipped with its own backsplash and dish drying area. Its simple lines and neutral color prevent the large sink from feeling too bulky in the space. This slab-style kitchen sink in a cooking space by interior design firm Artichoke takes the idea of an apron-front basin to the next level. Instead of being tucked under a countertop, it sits on top of the cabinetry. This definitely gives the white kitchen sink a dominant presence in the space, and it frees up the cabinet space underneath from having to house a sink basin. However, it can be difficult to find a comfortable height for both the sink and countertop with this design. Either the counter has to be a little lower than what's standard or the sink has to be a little higher, or a combination of both. If you crave luxury in your kitchen, consider a polished brass sink. In this kitchen, Titus Built installed not one, but 2 apron-front brass kitchen sinks. And the metallic goodness doesn't end there. Additional brass details are found on the faucets, cabinet hardware, light fixtures, and more to unify the kitchen's high-end appearance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.